dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Reality Latest Gist. The headlines. The youth wing of the Ohaneze Igbo worldwide, the Igbo Apex Social Cultural Organization, has issued a stern warning to Southeast leaders who are hindering the release of Nnamdi Kanu. My problem is small. Moving on, after this, we have a chieftain of the People Democratic Party in Edo State and the lead spokesperson of the team Ohaneze Media Organization, Deacon Darlington Okpeholo, has tasked the Edo sons and daughters living abroad to return home and cast their vote for PDP candidate. But my people, before I go bring this matter, come give one I welcome on once again to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest. As today, give one a back-to-back update and information as it is hot. So if today is your first time to join this wonderful channel, I beg, may you like, subscribe, and share. But don't forget to turn notification bell so that anytime our news drop, you go be the first to watch. And my people, no be small matter. But make una dey come then I go dey bring una the story the way they come our way, one after the other. To all our visit subscribers, I welcome you especially to my wonderful channel. Thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's dive into the main story. The youth wing of the Ohaneze Igbo worldwide and the Igbo Apex Social Cultural Organization has issued a stern warning to the Southeast leaders who are hindering the release of Nnamdi Kanu. That is the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. So Ohaneze Igbo emphasized that Nnamdi Kanu prosecution by Nigeria government is a collective trial of the Igbo identity, and they are urging the leader to take a stand in support of his release. The organization commended the federal lawmaker Obiagocha for mobilizing over 50 members of the Federal House of Representatives to appeal to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for Nnamdi Kanu release. And they retaliated that Nigeria could not achieve equity, justice, and fairness without addressing the issue. So, this was contained in a statement by Ohaneze Youth that was issued on Wednesday, and it was signed by their National Publicity Secretary, Chika Adiale. My people, the Igbo youth are saying that their heart was full of joy when they received a cheering news from the distinguished members of the House of Representatives, Obiagocha, the Ikwano Maya North South Federal Constituency, who mobilized over 50 very distinguished patriotic members of the Federal House of Representatives to make an appeal to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to release their dear brother, Nnamdi Kanu, and their son as well. So right now, my people, the Igbo youth are highly elated over the audacious move by Honorable Agocha in leading his colleagues to appeal to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to set free Nnamdi Kanu for equity, justice, and fairness. My people, they went ahead to caution the Southeast leaders for uncooperative disposition towards the release of Nnamdi Kanu. They told them that they should remember that it is their collective identity that is on trial. So it is imperative to remind them that silence in the face of injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. And as a matter of fact, as a people, they are taking note, and hopefully posterity will bear witness to their collective quest to bring in lasting peace, development, and sustainable security in our Igbo, because they don't tire. So if they no cooperate, how much Nnamdi Kanu want they come out? So it's so sad that as they are fighting for Nnamdi Kanu release, some people they go behind, go they sabotage the peace we the Southeast have been looking for. Now them they suffer more. So if President Bola Ahmed Tinubu no listen to them to release Nnamdi Kanu after 50 House of Rep members don't go appeal to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Igbo people where they other country don't appeal to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and President Bola Ahmed Tinubu never listen. The IPOB sit at home. We still continue, and you know what that implies. Peace no go there for Southeast. So these people want peace in the Southeast. So if President Bola Ahmed Tinubu truly wants peace in the Southeast, he should be able to listen to these people appealing to him for Nnamdi Kanu release. Let there be equity, let there be fairness, not just waiting these people they ask for. So my people at this junction, I go like know what do not think about this matter in the comment section below. I beg I go like hear from Mona. Quickly, let's move on to the second one. A chieftain of the People Democratic Party and a lead spokesman of the team Ohaneze Media Organization, Deacon Darlington Okpeholo, has tasked Edo sons and daughters living abroad to return home and cast their vote for PDP governorship candidate Ohaneze in the forthcoming governorship election in Edo State. So he went ahead to appeal to those who may not be able to come to mobilize their family members at home to ensure Ohaneze victory. My My people, Asi Hodalo made this appeal when he met with members of Edo Diaspora Movement for Asu Oje in London, where he emphasized that Asi Hodalo emergency is divine to take the state to another level of industrialization and economic prosperity, as well as stemming the tide of insecurity in the state. He said the need for them to rally around the governorship candidates of the party cannot be overemphasized, because if it is well with their brother and sisters back home, that the workload on them abroad will be reduced. He added that the state Governor Godwin Obaseki has done a lot in the past 7.5 years in the state. So what is needed now is a continuation of development projects, which he believes that Asi Hodalo will easily and successfully build on. The statement said that the London meeting was convened by Dr. Peter De Rock with members of the movement and Barrister Eunice Inagbeje, who said that the group is passionate about the victory of Asi Hodalo and has established functional committee across all 18 local governments with coordinators and members in the 192 wards across the local governments. So Eunice quoted that they are working tirelessly to monitor and coordinate grassroots efforts in order to gain landslide victory in all their units. Campaign materials such as billboard banner and leaflet, units said that they don't deploy them to many units for public support. So the campaign also aimed to mobilize youth participation in the upcoming election and raise awareness about the political accountability through talk show and other initiatives. So on the part of Princess Runke Akiolola, he said that the group would be willing to partner the state government in providing free healthcare services, including free hernia surgeries through operational centers in the 3 senatorial districts. Bye, people, don't be small matter. So while retaliating the importance of the meeting, we commended the efforts of Asi Hodalo supporters, stressing that their commitment to ensuring that Governor Godwin Obaseki's 30 years development plan is actualized, and they will highly appreciate it. So now they are working tirelessly to make sure that Asi Hodalo becomes the governor of Edo State. My people, don't be small wala. So they are trying to tell everyone abroad, all their brothers and sisters, I beg, if you know say no go fit come, just try mobilize your people where they house here, make them vote for Asi Hodalo, because he's the man for the people. They say Asi Hodalo will continue from where Governor Godwin Obaseki stopped. That the 30 years plan that Governor Godwin Obaseki could not actualize, that Asi Hodalo will actualize it, and he will even do more. So what did they tell us? Be say Asi Hodalo is divine to take Edo State to another level of industrialization and economic prosperity. So with that one, it go reduce their workload from abroad. They're not going to even send too much money they give their people for Edo State, if that can be actualized. People don't be small while. Alright, people, I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section below. And with this, we wrap up the news for today. Thank you so much for watching Reality Latest Gist. So for more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till next time, bye for now.